All right, guys, let's go over our 10 minutes per day trading routine. We're going to be trading from either 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Anywhere within that window. We're going to set up our pending orders, or between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. We're going to set up our pending order somewhere in that window. It's going to take us about 5 minutes per day to set up our trades for the morning and the evening. I'm personally going to be doing both sessions, and it'll take me 10 minutes per day. If you only decide to do one, then you cut your time in half. But first thing that we need to do every day before we start trading is we'll log into our Trade Locker account, and then we'll copy our balance here. And we'll come to the lot size calculator tool in the system, and we'll select gold or silver, whichever one you're trading on. We do have a few other pairs in here as well, but I'm going to select gold, and then we'll copy and paste that price in here. And then you can put your take profit pips in here if you want to. It's just going to illustrate how much you make, but the actual profit will be set by what we put here in Pip Juice for our take profit and stop loss, what Pip Juice tells us to take. And we'll put that there. It'll automatically show me the lot size that I should use and how much I'd be risking. And if we come down here, it'll show that I can lose 21 trades in a row, even though we're only going to take 2 trades, basically 2 trades a day. We'll be taking Monday through Friday, and this is safe for 21 losses in a row. We're nowhere near blowing our account if we lose a few trades. This is the purpose of setting this up, because a lot of people blow their accounts because they don't have proper risk management, and that's why I built this tool, and people can manage their risk correctly and pass their challenges without violating any of the rules. Or if you want to go with the recommended, then that'll show you here. We're safe for 6 losses in a row. You'll make a little bit more, actually like 3.5 times more, but you're also risking more, like triple the amount. Again, I like to play it safe. We'll go with 0.02. That's the first thing we're going to do, is come in here and get our lot size. We know that our lot size for all of the trades we're going to take is going to be 0.02. Then we'll come to our trading view indicator and we'll set everything up. We'll do our setup like we did in the previous video for using Pip Juice. And then we're just gonna come, once we have everything set up, we set up our buy first. We'll come and double click, take our entry price, and we'll bring that over here. We'll click on the arrow here, and then click on pending. We click on pending, make sure that we're on buy, and then paste the price in there. Next, we're going to come to our take profit under profit price, and then we'll click on take profit here and put the price in. Then we'll take our stop loss price or our stop level price on the indicator here, and then paste the value. And then we're going to do 0.02. And then we click buy stop. And when we hit that entry point, then the software Trade Locker will automatically take the trade. We do this again from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. for the New York session, and from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. for the Asia session. 2 times a day we'll do this little routine. Like, this video isn't even 5 minutes. Yeah, this is our routine that we'll do every single day. Come in here, we'll get our lot size based on our balance, then we'll do our trade setup for the buy and stop entries, the buy and sell entries. We'll do our setups and copy our values for the trades for that session, and then come back at the next session and do it for that one. All right, guys, I don't want to keep talking forever. I wanted to keep this short and kind of concise, but this is what we'll be doing every day, Monday through Friday. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.